Hello dear students, welcome back. As you know all, we are studying the topic cell structure. In our previous classes, we have studied the various parts. Those are cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. Today's class, let us study about the remaining part of the cell. So those are called as the cell organelles. Let us study about the cell organelles in detail. Dear students, as you know all, each and every organism on this earth, they are made up of the cells. And cells should function continuously to sustain their life on this earth. Every organism should be alive on this earth means they should perform various functions. Then how they functions this cell? And you know that cell should function continuously to sustain their life on this earth. Means every organism should be alive on this earth means cells should perform various functions. Then how cells will function? So there are the various membrane bound organelles. Those are called as the cell organelles. So their functions variously. Because of that, all the living organisms will be alive on this earth, we can say. Then which all the functions they perform? So various functions I have said you. So there are the various organelles, and various organelle performs the various functions. Like some organelles will synthesize some substances, some organelles will secrete some substances, some will release the energy, some will digest the food. Is it right? So those will perform the various functions. Because of that, what happened? Cell will be alive. Is it right? So I have written on the board here, see, some organelles will synthesize some substances. Like you take a protein, will be synthesized in the place of the cell. So who will synthesize? So ribosomes present in the cell. So mainly ribosomes are present on the endoplasmic reticulum. On the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum. So what they does, they secrete, they synthesize the proteins. And also there are the presence of the another substances, they are the lipids, they synthesize the fats. Is it right? So various, what are there? Various organelles are there. They synthesize various materials. Like you take, there are the chloroplasts. So they synthesize the food. You know that in the plant there are the chloroplasts and they synthesize the food. So if you take another function like a secretion. So some of the organelles they secrete the various substances, like which all the substances they secretes, enzymes they secretes, hormones they secretes, mucus they secretes. So those are all necessary to perform the various functions. You know that enzymes are required to digest the food. Is it right? Mucus is required for us, and also hormones are required for various functions. Is it right? So those all will be secreted by the cells. So next we'll take this digest the substances. Some organelles like a mitochondria you take, it helps to digest the food. Is it right? By the process of the respiration, they helps to digest the food. And also in the process of the digestion, what happens? Energy will be released. So here what we can say, generate the energy, and the generated energy will be generated energy will be stored in the form of the ATP, and whenever our body requires that, it will be provided. Is it right? So these all are the various functions of the cells. So those will be done by the various membrane bound organelles called as the cell organelles. So now let us study one by one about all the cell organelles in our next classes. Is it right? So today let us study about the one of the cell organelle that is called as the endoplasmic reticulum. In today's class, let us study about its nature and occurrence, and its structure, and also its function. Is it right? So how it is there in the nature? So you can observe here, it looks like a membrane network. So membrane bound network is there, and this membrane bound network will be filled with the fluid called as the lumen. So that fluid will be filled in this membrane, otherwise in the endoplasmic reticulum, that is called as the lumen. It is network like a structure. So how you can observe here, see. So it is looking like what a network, and completely it is filled in the intracellular cavity of the cell, we can say here. Is it right? How it is there? It is a membranous network, and what it is filled by the fluid called as the lumen. Okay. So how it is occurred? So it is occurred within the cell, and one end of the endoplasmic reticulum will be attached to the nucleus membrane, that is called the nuclear envelope. Already you have studied in detail about the nucleus. There is a nuclear envelope. So one end of the endoplasmic reticulum will be attached to the nuclear envelope, and another end will be attached to the cell membrane or plasma membrane, we can say here. So this is about what? Its occurrence. Where it is occurred in between the cell membrane and the nuclear membrane. Okay, it is a network-like structure we can say here. It is about its what? Occurrence. So how it is occurred? Like a network-like structure, it is present inside the cell. Is it right? I have drawn the structure of the endoplasmic reticulum and I have mentioned various parts here. It is a nucleus, and nucleus will be bounded by the what membrane that is called the nuclear envelope. So it is nuclear envelope, and this nuclear envelope will be attached by the endoplasmic reticulum, and it is again, so we can observe here, this is a network-like structure, is called as the endoplasmic reticulum. On this endoplasmic reticulum, you can observe here dot-like structure. So those are nothing but the ribosomes, and those helps to what? Synthesize the protein. Also here two types of endoplasmic reticulum you can observe. It's a rough endoplasmic reticulum and it is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so this is about the structure of the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so what we are studying now is the nature and occurrence. Already you have studied about the nature and occurrence. I have said you it's occur in between the nuclear envelope and the plasma membrane. Is it right? So now we can say here it is of three forms. So this endoplasmic reticulum is of three forms. So which are those three forms? Cisternae, vessels and the tubules. So there are the three forms we can observe mainly. So and it is of two types. So I already have said you endoplasmic reticulum is of two types. One is a rough endoplasmic reticulum, another one is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And this rough endoplasmic reticulum is made up of the cisternae. And the smooth endoplasmic reticulum will be made by the vessels and the tubules. Understanding? Three forms we can observe in the endoplasmic reticulum. So which are those? Cisternae, vessels and the tubules. And two types of endoplasmic reticulum we can observe: rough endoplasmic reticulum and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And this rough endoplasmic reticulum, it is mainly made up of what? A cisternae, and next these smooth endoplasmic reticulum is made up of the vessels and the tubules. Understanding? So what is the function of the rough endoplasmic reticulum and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum? So you know that here dot-like structure, those are called as what? Ribose. So those are called as the ribosomes, and those helps to synthesize the protein. You know that protein will be synthesized in the cell. So those will be synthesized by the ribosomes. Then where the ribosomes will be present? So there will be present granular like a structure on the endoplasmic reticulum, and those will synthesize the what? Protein here. So next you can take a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So without ribosome, they secretes the lipids. So what they secretes? They secretes the lipid. You can observe a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It is called as the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So here ribosomes will be not present. Only ribosomes are present on the rough endoplasmic reticulum. And the smooth endoplasmic reticulum will secretes the lipid, and rough endoplasmic reticulums will secretes the synthesizes the protein. We can say here. It is about what is the nature and its occurrence. I hope you are understood about the nature and occurrence of endoplasmic reticulum. Let us go to the function of endoplasmic reticulum. So you know that what all the function it does. It is what a membrane as a network-like structure. So first function of the endoplasmic reticulum is it forms the supporting skeletal framework of the cell. It gives this supporting skeletal network for what? For the cell we can say here. First function is what? It forms a supporting skeletal framework of the cell. Understanding? So next function is endoplasmic reticulum provides the pathway of the distribution of the nuclear material from one cell to another cell. Already you know that it is present in between what? Nuclear envelope and the plasma membrane. Is it right? So it is acts like a pathway of a distribution of the various material to transport from one cell to another cell. Is it right? So who helps to? So this endoplasmic reticulum helps to transfer the material from one cell to the another cell. It acts like a pathway. Is it right? Next is certain enzymes present in the endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, synthesize fats, steroids, and the cholesterols. So you know that some of the enzymes are present on the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So what they does? So they synthesize the various substances like fats, steroids, and the cholesterol. So those are present on what? On the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and they synthesize fats, steroids and the cholesterols. Understanding? So those are present on the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So next function is, so rough endoplasmic reticulum is connected with the transport of the proteins which are synthesized by the ribosomes. So who will helps to transport here? Rough endoplasmic reticulum. This transport the proteins, and who will prepare those? Ribosomes. Understanding? It is about what? Its function. Understanding? So it is about what endoplasmic reticulum. We have observed its nature and occurrence. Also we have studied the structure and function. So in next class we will study the next organelles. Those are the ribosomes and the lysosomes in our next class. If you have any difficulty regarding today's topic, let me know. Thank you.